Hello everybody. On this video, I will show you how to update Windows 10 to 11 in any computer without losing files or activation. There are 8 minimum requirements for Windows 11, but the TPM and UEFI with secure boot are the most common obstacles in older computers. Other requirements in relation to processor, RAM, and storage are nearly available in all computers or at least can be upgraded easily. This video will help you to get rid of all these requirements in order to upgrade to Windows 11 on any computer step by step. First, open the official Microsoft website of Windows 11. Download from the links in video description. Scroll down to download Windows 11 disk image, ISO. Click on Select Download and select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. After that, click Download. Select the desired language and then click on Confirm. Click on 64-bit download to start downloading Windows 11 ISO file. Notice that there is no option to download Windows 11 in 32-bit version. After downloading the ISO file of Windows 11, let's see how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11. Double-click the ISO file to mount it. Double-click the setup file to start Windows 11 upgrade from Windows 10. If you want to install drivers and other Windows updates while upgrading, click Next directly. Otherwise, click on Change How Setup Downloads Updates and select Not Right Now option. If your computer doesn't meet Windows 11 requirements, you will receive an error message saying that this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. You can fix that by replacing the appraisers file in the sources folder of Windows 11 as followings. Back to the download folder and then unmount the ISO file of Windows 11. Extract the ISO file using WinRAR or another app. Download appraisers.zip file and then extract it. Copy the appraisers file into sources folder inside Windows 11 folder and replace the existing file. Back to the main directory of Windows 11 folder and double-click Setup File to start Setup Wizard. Notice that the checking for requirements step passed successfully after replacing appraisers file. Click on Accept icon. Notice that the Setup Wizard automatically selected to install Windows 11 Home Single Language, as this is the activated edition of Windows 10 that is installed on my computer. So don't worry about activation too, as the Setup Wizard will use your Windows 10 license key to activate Windows 11 automatically. Click Change What to Keep option to change whether to keep or to delete apps and/or files. Otherwise, click on Install to start Windows 11 upgrading process, keeping personal files and apps. As you can see, Windows 10 update to Windows 11 done successfully in unsupported hardware. However, Microsoft recommend against upgrading to Windows 11 in unsupported PCs, because you may not receive some security updates as stated on Microsoft website. Important notes: Windows 11 files are stored in folder called Windows.old inside C folder. This folder will persist for the next 10 days, to help you go back to Windows 10 if you faced any incompatibility errors or whatever that make you decide to leave Windows 11 back to Windows 10. During first 10 days of your evaluation or use for Windows 11, don't try to do a disk cleanup, defragment, or another action on system files, otherwise, you will fail to revert your Windows back to Windows 10 if you decide to do so. After 10 days, Windows.old will be removed automatically. If not removed, you can remove it manually if you want. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a comment and subscribe.